Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find hidden photos on your Android phone. So let's get started. Now, very first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the Gallery app. Now, once you open up the Gallery app, you're going to go ahead and look for the menu option. You may see it on the top or the bottom, and in the menu option, there may be a hidden folder setting. In this scenario, this one says a private album, so I could tap on it. And when you tap on it, of course, it's going to be locked because it's a hidden folder. So you're going to go ahead and enter your device passcode or the pin that you use. And as you can see here now, I can see one of my hidden photos right here. So that's going to be one way to look at it. Now, if you don't see it, don't worry. Another option is to just go to album and then click on view all and see if you can see a hidden folder or something that's generally not shown. Sometimes it can be locked or not shown here. So those are going to be another place to check. Now, once you have checked for that, the next place you want to check for hidden folder is going to be in the secure folder. So in the search navigation here for apps, look for secure folder. If the phone is using a secure folder, you can go ahead and continue, enter the pin, and then go ahead and find any hidden photos that may be in this folder here. Here I don't have it, but once you know your pin, you can go ahead and enter that and see it as well. Now, another place to look for is in the Files app. So look for My Files or the Files app, and this is where you can also see hidden photos that may be found here. So you're going to go ahead and look here, specifically look for in the section that has internal storage, and you can see here different types, like things like pictures, and they actually can be hidden in a folder. So just go through, navigate through it. If you happen to remember the name of that photo, you can also search for it as well. But this is going to be a good start to look for any hidden folder or photos in your Android phone. So that's how you find them. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. See you guys next time.